Good morning, student. On last turn, I explained the question up to 14 of exercise 9.1, chapter Some Application of Trigonometry. Now, I am going to start question number 15 of exercise 9.1. A straight highway leads to the foot of tower. A man standing at the top of tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree which is approaching the foot of the tower with uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of tower from this point. Now see it, question number 15. This is your tower, this is your state highway. The angle of depression of a car is 30 degree. From here we see this car, this is tower AB, position of car is, this is angle of depression, that is 30 degree, which approaching the foot of tower with uniform speed after 6 seconds. After 6 seconds, its position is D and the angle of depression is 60 degree. Find the time, how much time it takes to reach the foot of tower. So, this is 30, so it will be 30 because alternate interior angles are equal. This is 60, this will be 60. Let this is the height h, this distance is x, this is y. Let AB is tower of height h, C and D are the position of car in triangle ADB. Tan 60 perpendicular upon base root 3 h upon y, or h is equal to y root 3. Now in triangle ACB, tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, perpendicular is h, base is x plus y, cross multiply, x plus y is equal to h root 3. This is second equation. By equation 1 and 2, h is y root 3. So, putting the value of h is y root 3. So, it will be x plus y is equal to y root 3 into root 3, x plus y is equal to 3y. y take on right side, so it will be 3y minus y, that is 2y, x is equal to 2y. So you see that x distance travelled in 6 seconds. X distance travelled in 6 seconds. X is equal to 2y, so 2y distance travelled in 6 seconds and y distance travelled in 6 upon 2, that is equal to 3 seconds. So therefore, a car reach the foot of tower, a car reach the foot of tower in 3 seconds. Now see the question number 16. The angle of elevation of top of tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of tower. This is tower. Its angle of elevation from 2 points, one is 4 meter from foot of tower, other is 9 meter from foot of tower, are complementary angles. Complementary angles, two angles whose sum is 90 degree, so they are called two angles whose sum is 90 degree, they are called complementary angle. So we will suppose one angle let angle C is theta, so D will be 90 minus theta. Let AB is tower of height h, C and D are the position of car, BD is equal to 4 meter, BC is equal to 9 meter. In triangle ACB, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is h upon 9. This is the first equation. In triangle ADB, tan 90 minus theta, perpendicular upon base, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, perpendicular is h, base is 4. This is complementary angle. This identity is used. Cot is reciprocal of tan. Cot is reciprocal of tan. So 1 upon tan theta is equal to h upon 4. Or tan theta is equal to 4 upon h. This is second equation. By equation 1 and 2, This is tan theta, this is also tan theta. So h upon 9 is equal to 4 upon h, or h square is equal to 36, h is equal to square root 36, that is 6 meter. This you have to prove it. See one example 6. Example 6, page number 202. The angle of depression of top and bottom of 8 meter tall building from the top of multi-story building. This is 8 meter building. This is multi-story building. Its height is h, its height is 8 meter. When see from its top, the angle of depression is 30 degree, and when see from the top to its bottom, the angle of depression is 45 degree. Now find the height of the multi-story building and distance between the two buildings. Let this is AB, this is CD, and this is point E. Let AB is building of height h 8 meter, CD is multi-story building of height h. So this is 30, it will be 30 degree. This is 45, it will be 45. AB is equal to ED is equal to 8 meter, CE is equal to CD minus DE, H minus 8 meter. BD is equal to AE is equal to X. In triangle CBD, tan 45 perpendicular upon base, 1 is equal to h upon x, or h is equal to x. In triangle CAE, tan 30 perpendicular upon base, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, perpendicular is CE upon AE, 1 upon root 3 is equal to h minus 8, and upon x, x is equal to h minus 8 root 3. So value of x is h value of h is x. So in place of x write h. by equation 1 and 2, h is equal to h minus 8 root 3 h root 3 minus 8 root 3, h taking on right side, 8 root 3 taking on left side, h taking common, and h is equal to 8 root 3 upon root 3 minus 1. Multiply with its conjugate, root 3 plus 1 minus conjugate is plus 8 root 3, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, 8 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1, that is 4 root 3 plus 8 root 3 plus 1 upon 2, 2 4 ja. So 4 multiply with root 3, that is 3 plus root 3. Therefore, height of multi-story building is 3 plus root 3 meter, and the distance between the buildings is also 3 plus root 3 meter, because the distance between the two buildings is equal to height of the building. Here this chapter is completed. Thank you. On next turn we will take chapter number 10.